I'm here to share my experience here in Arizona. And we found a little secluded spot over here on the side of the mountain. And this is where we've decided to take a little break in the shade because the sun is very, very strong. So we'll see what it's like up there, where the energy vortex is turning and this land is proving to be very difficult to travel, more harder than we thought. Thankfully, we found the way back onto the trail, and I have found peace, and I am loved.
Oh, they're amazing. Cute.
They call it smoky taboo. I got your name tattooed high like the helium balloon. Midnight to noon, I'm a desert child, and mountains make me nauseous. I like to look up wild at an infinite sky, twinkling with diamonds. It's true.
Welcome back. No words for any of this, actually. It's so big, and it's so vast, and it's so immense, and it's so respectful, and it's so unexplored, and it's so wise, and it's so old, and it knows so many secrets, and is willing to communicate with those who are open to communicating back to Mother Gaia. You just have to be aware and listen for her for when she calls. And it's telling me kind words. I'm very blessed to be here in this space.